Alright, so it is a little bit about springs, I guess. So I have been talking, I bought a big bucket of random springs at a surplus store. That's been handy. It's had a lot of bigger springs that are slightly bigger than this one that were good for a lot of stuff. But the smaller springs in it were not quite right, and I saw on Steam 212 and some other channels talking about stealing springs out of the lighters, Bics and other little gas lighters with a flint. So I went digging around in old lighters to grab some springs to see if one of them, because the last time I went to do spring replacements, all the little springs in that assortment didn't fit where I wanted to. So here are an assortment of springs that I scavenged out of lighters. There are 3 brands of lighters here, 2 off-brand little gas lighters, and then this big long spring, comparatively sturdy compared to the other 3, is a branded Bic lighter. This other spring on the side here is out of a mechanical pencil. It's too big for what I think I need, but we will see if any of these is just right for the ET6 governor, or maybe as a replacement spring in the Enjomor. So, as you can see, the big one, or the main difference aside from being longer, is this official Bic lighter is also a bigger radius spring. So I think in the future when I'm scavenging for springs, I'm gonna stick with the branded lighter because it looks like that spring is probably my best bet, but we'll find out.